having a great evening today. So, as you might know, we also had a console zone today, and for the last 2 days we did a great job in fighting game tournaments. So, we played 4 games. Guilty Gear Strive, MK1, Tekken 8, and Street Fighter 6. And as always, we have to find out who was the best. We're gonna start from Guilty Gear Strive. So, with the 3rd place in Guilty Gear Strive, we have a local legend, a man I've known for a few years now, Crazy! Round of applause for him. With the 2nd place, we got a guy who actually was disqualified in the 1st game, but then he came back. He was like, why did I lose? And then he went straight for a 2nd place. And this guy's name is Belzebubka. I don't think he's here actually. So he's gonna get his diploma later, maybe, or he won't, I'm not sure. And with the 1st place, as usual, we have Mix UU from Latvia, who isn't here. But whatever, and who cares. So, my co-host Mikhail is gonna announce winners for Street Fighter.
This is not going to be an easy challenge because one of the contestants has a very tricky name. But not this one. So the 3rd place for Street Fighter 6 will take none other than Zerochi.